Hey guys, this is the Dyson Gen5detect cordless vacuum. It is very cool. As usual, it has a really nice Dyson design that it continues through this line of vacuums, and it comes with additional attachments. Thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Alex. I'm just going to do a quick product demonstration and show you what's included with the vacuum. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Really nice color display. You can select the mode that you want to use, medium, boost, or eco. And then this turns it on. And it shows you, detects how much dust it's pulling in. This is the battery for it. So here's the main attachment with the hair removal vanes here. Let's take a closer look at it. So it has the hair removal vane right here. That's what they call it. A brush and these strips right here. Then we have this attachment. The narrow brush attachment. Also this one right here. It also has like a pet hair remover strip right here. And we have this one. It's the anti-tangle screws, what they call it. It's a very good vacuum. It does way more than other vacuums, and it just has a very great suction. That's what you need in a good vacuum. It is very easy to replace all the attachments to put them on and off. The wall mount for the vacuum includes the charging cord, and when it's on the mount, it's charging, so that's very convenient. It has a beautiful appearance, of course. It's a good looking vacuum with a classic Dyson design, and overall, just super happy with this purchase.